Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hey, wagwan my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Okay, so in an audio that I'm about to present to you, someone said some words that gave me the understanding that the person talk about a purse, and the person, someone talk about at least one person, and that the person want the purse back. The people, I think it will be best if you listen to the audio for yourself. Observe.
Good morning. We got into the situation. So on Monday, about 2:15 to 20, I carry a box of egg in a Linstead. When I reaching round at the park, we did could get a taxi fee. Carry the box go with me I go because on the one way some taxi not allow to drive around here. So anyway, I proceed to take time walk and carry the egg. When we reach round at the back of TSS and Progressive round here, so gentleman asked me if I carry it, me carry the box. Well, because me I carry the box, me never want to have my purse in my hand. So me lock up the egg box with the purse in I. Me told you the box could I carry it. And just offer say make him wallet for me by himself and he put it up on his shoulder. Not in my greatest mind, I go look say when I try pull the purse through the back side or whatever. When reach I got the chain, you know, realize the person miss me make a quick turn in the town. Realize I don't see person. Make two walk in the town, see when I see what the person just take out the money and throw the purse ground. He end up say that never happened. Me end up go by the station and report it because through my personal documents them in there like get like about $20,000 ID, me TRN, me NIS, couple receipts and couple pictures of my family pictures them inside. So I was just hoping to find the purse. About 4:30, notification come on per my phone and my sister have said the person that try use the card at a specific supermarket in Newton. Proceeded 2 times, which we never got through. They call the supermarket and tell me yes, a young man came there trying to use the card. Well, I went up there Tuesday morning and they show me a footage of him. They never give me the entire video of how the whole situation went in the store. Just really want this message to reach out to him if we can't even get back the purse. I don't know if he dash away or dump it or whatever, but if anybody know him or could have see him and let him just tell him say he drop the purse off. If I either Linstead police station or Yuatan, not have to be him and just drop off a purse there so the police will reach out to me and so we can get the documents them that was inside. That would be great.
So based on what me hear in the audio there, you know, that tell me so you should be very careful of who you accept help from. Or be careful of who offer your help. See, I mean, I'm going to jump to no conclusion. See, and overall though, in my point of view, this person really want back whatsoever inside the purse. Whatsoever. You see, you hear what the person said pertaining to a card and all them things, eh? Yeah? Is that how you hear? I hope so that audio can bring some form of awareness. You see, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when one person was being restrained by at least 2 persons, and those persons somewhat worked together in order to put a person in the back of a motor vehicle during subscribers. I got the understanding that there was some type of an argument or confrontation between at least 2 persons, I'm going to say. So, based on some words that have been said in the video, I got the understanding that at least one person basically called one of those persons who was involved in the confrontation or who was involved in restraining the person officer. However, When I look at the video, I did not see where any of those persons who was involved in restraining the person dressed in any full uniform. You see, my people? But me see, going at the video, the thing about it is, though, during the situation where the person was being restrained, the viewers, subscribers, and if the whole officer word let me hear is somewhat accurate pertaining to what I think the person did something that might get him in some type of trouble. And I'm not being disrespectful, you understand? Because a part of the video shows that the person hit one of those persons who was involved in restraining him. And when it comes on to the law, that can be trouble. But anyways, let's go take a look at the video. Oh, and I want to make it very clear because I get the understanding that there are persons who might get what I'm saying the wrong way. So let me make it very clear. I do not have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded. But the video had been posted on social media and it caught my attention. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
But you cussing him, man, officer. You first cussing him, man. Hey, what?
So it seems as if that person had been detained by those persons, and me or at least one person called the person officer. Now, when it comes on to a situation like that, if you see uniform and badge and certain things that can make me confirm if anyone who me see that the video police, me not go jump to no conclusion and go say, okay, yeah, right. No. Me I give you the information according to how me get the information. You see? So I got information about a situation where it is said that a person had been arrested and charged for stealing at least one thing from a police station. Listen to this. According to information that I got, and according to at least one news article that I read, I got the understanding that this was situation happened within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, and that an air conditioning technician was fined $10,000 after pleading guilty to stealing a camera from a room inside of the Arima police station. The article mentions the person's name and even an address that we mentioned, but let me skip that part and get to this part. So, some words in the article are: police said that on July 22nd, two Canon EOS, and then we say REBEL, T7 series cameras were placed in a server room located on the second floor of the police station. On August 7th, one of the officers checked the room and realized that one of the cameras valued $4,000 was missing. An inquiry was launched and CCTV footage taken inside the station was reviewed, which showed the person who worked with a contracted air conditioning company was filmed helping himself to the camera while he was at work or while he worked. On August 9, the same person returned to the police station to carry out further maintenance. And upon Being spotted, he was immediately arrested. I'm only going by some words I'm reading at the news article or the article. Saying so we got understanding from some words in the article that on August 11, the person was charged and eventually taken to court, and he pleaded guilty. So after he pleaded guilty, he was ordered to pay a fine of $10,000 within a certain amount of time. And there's more to the whole situation than when we just want someone explain. Well, if this is so, I say, some people, if I hear anything like that, have you ever heard anything like that? Well, leave a comment and comments, let me know what you think about that. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.